Hello, my name is Mike Janulitis, founder of Cornerable Software. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate 3 different account lockout reports. Before we start, I'm showing you a new report type we just released, which enables you to create composite primary keys to select a distinct count of records. In this case, I'm showing you a summary report of each unique event ID and source, along with a short description of each entry. This report was developed in response to an auditor's requirements. Please subscribe to this channel so you can be notified when I release a new video tutorial showing off this report. The 3 report types I'm going to show you are currently locked out accounts, which scans Active Directory for accounts that are currently locked out, then also scans off-domain servers for locally locked out accounts. Currently locked out accounts, which scans the domain controller's security event log for event ID 4740, account lockout, and 4767, account unlocked by an administrator, then removes any account from the report that was manually unlocked by the network administrator. Lockout history, which scans security event logs for event IDs 4740 and 4767, then merges the events whenever possible, showing the time the account was unlocked, then the last administrator that unlocked the account. This video assumes you've already configured Server Manager to download and save domain controller security event logs to Cornerable Server Manager's centralized log database. If you haven't already configured Server Manager to save your security event logs, please watch the following video tutorials: how to configure Cornerable Software's centralized log consolidation database, and agent-based event log management. Server Manager includes out-of-the-box account lockout reports. To find these reports from the Explorer view, expand the Root Reports node, then select Sample Reports, Event Logs, Security Reports, Account Lockout. Here you will find 3 reports which correspond to the types of reports I mentioned earlier: Account Lockout History, Account Lockout Report, Account Lockout Report Active Directory WMI. In order to use any of these reports, you need to assign the domain controller to each report. But first, let's have a look at each of these reports. Right-click on the target report, then select Properties. The Report Properties view displays. The first thing you will notice in the event log-driven reports is that the Logs tab is missing. The Logs tab isn't needed because we already know which log we want to scan, the security event log. The General tab enables you to optionally set the frequency to schedule the report. The Explicitly Assigned Logs tab enables you to add archived and auxiliary security event logs, as well as raw EVTX file backups to the report. The Columns tab enables you to configure the columns to include in the report, along with sorting and grouping options. The Option tab enables you to choose to either show or hide accounts that do not have a corresponding unlock event 4767. The Show Currently Locked Out Accounts option hides all 4740 events that do not have a corresponding 4767 event. The Show Lockout History option shows all 4740s, then overlays corresponding 4767 events to show the total number of times an account has been locked out, as well as how many times the administrator has unlocked the account. When this option is selected, the last administrator to unlock the account is listed. The Users and Groups Filters tab enables you to target and exclude specific Windows groups and users. These options are only applicable when scanning domain controllers. The Date Time Range tab enables you to target the time range as well as apply any day or time ranges you would like to exclude from the report. For example, show the lockout history during the hours of 6 a.m. and 5 p.m. The Actions tab enables you to assign the emails you would like to send the report to, as well as assign file output, for example, CSV, HTML, and PDF. Use the Assignments view to assign your domain controller. Once set, click Save, then View Report. If you view the Account Lockout Report properties, you will notice the only difference between the Account Lockout history is the Set option on the Options tab. Once assigned to the domain controller, we can see the difference. Okay, lastly, let's look at the Active Directory-driven report. Right-click on the Account Lockout Report, Active Directory WMI, then select Properties. Use the Options tab to optionally choose to scan Active Directory. Once selected, set the target domain to scan. To scan local accounts and off-domain servers, check the Scan Assigned Machines for locked out local accounts. Once checked, be sure to manually assign each machine to the list of assigned hosts. To view the report, save your changes, then click View. That's Account Lockout Reporting with Cornerbowl Server Manager. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get notified when we release our next video.